Hi, students. Wanted to do a couple of these writing equations of lines from 2 points with you. The explanation is pretty good in Delta Math, but I think I would go about it a little bit differently based on what we've learned in our text. So here we go. We got this one. What is the equation of a line that passes through these 2 points? So what I usually tell people to do is set things up as a table. I'm a big table guy. So let's show what that would look like. So if I do an XY table, done this in a while, so excuse me if my handwriting is not great. We definitely want to figure out what the y-intercept is there, so I'm going to leave a spot for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. My output is 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and my output is -4. So, all right, now I think I'll grab my red and I'm going to do the slope formula. So let's do change in y. I got a y value of -4 and a y value of 1. So that's -4 minus 1. And then over my change in x, so that's 8 minus 4. That's my change in x values. And that's going to be -5 over 4. Also known as -1.25. I think I'm just going to leave it as -5/4. We'll kind of see how that works out as we go. Which means that every time x goes up 1, y is going to go down 5/4. So we can use a recursive rule to kind of fill in this table as we go here. So let's go 1, enter, -5/4, enter, and that gives us -0.25. Oops, that's not the color I wanted. I want this. -0.25. Enter again, there's -1.5. Enter again, there's -2.75. Enter again, this should be -4. Okay, so that's working. I've got the right slope. Now, we still need to figure out that y-intercept, but that's what this means here, is that as x goes down 1, what's going to happen to this y value? It's going to go up. Oops, it's going to go up 5/4. Okay, so let's start at 1 again. And let's go up 5/4. And that gives me 2.25. Why will you not change colors? 2.25. Enter again, 3.5. Enter again, that's 4.75. And enter one last time, and that gives me what should be my y-intercept is 6. And then I can write my equation, which is going to be y equals 6 minus 5/4 times x. And I am going to check my answer here too. So let's go to y equals, let's go 6 minus 5/4 x. Let's go to the table. And there's the 0, 6. What I'm looking for here is the points they actually gave me. There's 4, 1. And if I go down to 8, it's -4. So I know that I've got the right answer. I'm going to lock that in. I'm going to type it in over here. Y equals 6 minus 5/4 times x. Check it. Make sure I typed it in right. Submit. There we go. All right. So that's the way I would go with this. Figure out your slope. Use the slope in a recursive rule to find your y-intercept. Check your answer. Good luck.